Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with an unboxing. I actually already opened the package because I was trying to see if I could record and my battery was dead, so I was too eager and wanted to see what was in the package because I had forgotten what I had gotten. So this is a website, I've never heard of it, and it's VIP Cross Stitch, and they reached out to me and wanted to see if I could, test some of their products, and of course I say yeah. Actually, I had just spoken to Tree in regards to I wanted to do some of the what is it called, like the rings, like the oh my goodness, what are they called? I forgot right now. I will probably find out right now when I open it, when I show you guys this. So this is their website right here, and as you guys could see, they have so many nice cute things, and a lot of, sometimes we're crafters and we have different, likes and dislikes. And honestly, I had done, it's not a cross stitch, but it's a kind of embroidery kind of thing that I used to do when I was younger, and I loved it, and I haven't done it in a while, and I've been wanting to try it once again. So I went ahead, and since they reached out to me, I was like, whoa, they like perfect timing. I was just thinking about it a week prior to that. And so what I got from them, let me show you guys. So I did get this right here, and this is a plastic hoop, and inside, let's see what it comes. It actually has the, let me see, it has this needle thing. Sorry you guys, I am not too oriented on certain items, but it should come with instructions on how to create your project. So it comes with the cloth, and it comes with all these, oh my goodness, you guys, look at these. It comes with all the material that you will need to make this beautiful embroidery hoop. So there you go. And it has actually the embroidery needles here. It has the embroidery twine. It tells you the colors, and look at this. This is nice. I like that. So it tells you that, and it should give you instructions on here on how you're supposed to start and where you're supposed to be doing. So honestly, I thought this was amazing because they give you everything, and it tells you what you're supposed to do there. So I can't wait to work with it. Okay, and it comes with this too. I think this is like a needle or like a thread, and what is it called? A needle, a thread. Oh my goodness, put it in the needle and you pull out the thread, so just threading. Okay, and then also this was exactly what I was looking for. So instead of actually doing the cross stitch and everything, this is like a it's a punch needle set, and basically what you do, I'm just going to give you a little small example of what you do. And let me move all this aside. And then you put your cloth, and you could have one that has a design. Best that it has a design. Okay. And let me see if I could work this right here. Let me see. Wow, this is really a little different than what I'm used to as hoops. I like that actually the hoop right here, you guys could see, it actually goes in the middle. I've always had or seen the ones that just slide on, and then it's a slide on, but they don't have like the in-between middle part like this one does. So this is nice. So so let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in here for now, and I'm just gonna, sorry you guys, this cloth is really thick. It's nice. I like that, the thickness of it. Usually cloths are usually like really unstable and kind of like flimsy, but this cloth is nice. So you go like that. Okay, I know I don't have it set on the center, but what you do is you get this needle, and excuse the crinkle. Oh wow. And it actually has a set of a whole bunch of different needles on here. But just to give you an example, and it actually shows you how you're supposed to do it back here. So there you go. Let me see if I could open this. There you go. And it gives you more examples back here on how you could use it. So, so the way you use it, basically simple. You thread your embroidery thread through here. I think that's the way it goes. And then, okay. So basically what you do is punch it all the way through your cloth, and your design should be coming out. Now I will test this. I will have to learn how to read the instructions on how to exactly thread it, and I will probably come back and show you guys. But it does give you all these extra stuff right here. So it has this little I don't know if you guys could see this, has this, so I'm not too sure what this is, but I will read up on it and let you guys know. It has additional needles right here, 1, 2 right there, and it came with this set of different items. And like I said, I'm not too sure. It does say punch, needle, tool, and threader. So it's a needle, tool, and thread. Oh, and here it gives you the exact directions of what you're supposed to do in here, which is amazing. So apparently you put the threader, which is this long thing right here. I don't know if you guys could see it, which is this right here, right there. Okay, you're supposed to put it in between in here. You stick it in there, and then you put your thread in there and you pull it, and there you go. Whoa, that's gonna be so much fun. I can't wait to start this. It's gonna take me back to my teenage years, because I was actually doing this in my teenage years. So oh my gosh, it was so much fun. And then also, you guys, I did also get this, and this is basically to keep your, and I like the fact that it has different colors. I mean, for us crafters, we could use it for what is it called? Oh my goodness, I was thinking, oh my goodness, can't remember the name of it right now. But you could use the for your thread right here, as you wrap your thread in, or embroidery thread in there, your thread, or you could use it for your tape. If you want to put tape on there, like us crafters, paper crafters, that's what we will use it for. So it does have different colors. Let's see, have pink, green, blue, clear, white. So nice combo right there. So you guys, I will link them if you guys are interested. If you guys are interested in doing something different, if you love doing embroidering and all that stuff, this is the place to go. And again, it is called, let me see, let me pour VIP cross stitch. I will link everything that I got down on the description below, you guys. They have amazing designs, and like I said, they give you the thread, they give you everything, and it's worth the look. If you like cross stitching and everything, you guys, it's the place to go. It's not too expensive. And anyways, I will link them down on the description below, as well as what I received, as well as a coupon code. So thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.